It's gonna be one day of my life in Medellin, so let's go.
Get in, loser.
Before we start our journey to Medellin, first we have a 15-minute drive just to get down to the road. Now we're getting the yellow fever vaccine because we're going to Brazil in 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
And we had to come here, and then we had to go there to pay. We have to come back, and we have to go somewhere else to get the vaccine card, right?
The international vaccine card.
So that's a little bit insight in how things work in Colombia. We arrived at the house. We have a super packed day. We're replacing the roof. We have team meetings. We have a new employee that we hired. What else? We're getting a quote for a jacuzzi. So come on in, I'll show you what we're doing. The new roof that we're doing. And later, like we said, we have we're gonna see another house, possibly to invest in. So yeah, really busy day today. So yeah, we have the roof that they're working on over here. So yeah, we're replacing this really kind of like show the disgusting roof. It's really like dark, kind of dirty looking, and we're putting like a more clear one on. We want to do glass, but it's pretty expensive for like this whole area. And because we're renting the house, we didn't want to put that much money into it. This is going to be about what? How much was it? 8 million peso?
8 million pesos.
Which isn't bad. So 8 million peso is about, right now, what?
With a $5,000?
$1,700. So not bad. Yeah, so that's the new roof, the clear one, and that's the old one. So, and then we're looking at doing a jacuzzi over in this area, because it's kind of like a dead space where they don't use it for much, so it'd be cool to have like jacuzzi and then straight to pool. That would make it like the ultimate like chill area, like jacuzzi, pool, and then you have the projector here. So it's kind of like the ultimate space. And we're gonna quote, I think he said it'd be about $2,000 or $3,000. That's what our designer told us. But he's gonna give us more specific quote. But yeah, we're gonna be looking at doing that maybe in the next 2 to 3 months, whenever we have 3 days open. Because I would imagine that's gonna take a few days for him to install. ¿Cuánto?
$1.
No, it's like $3.
$3. So good.
1 p.m. We're on a home center run. Gotta get hangers and a rug from the house.
Vamos.
Rugs, unknown price.
Buying the converters.
Now we're getting converters for Brazil. So when you go there, they have Type C and Type N. But the Type C works with both. So we're getting Type C, it's 2-prong. They also have a 3-prong, but this works with both. Adhesive for around the pool, so people don't fall and slip. Assistant to carry the cart is free. So now it's 2, we're back at the house, checking progress of the roof, and I would not want to be doing that job right now. They're doing like a...
Oh my god.
Yeah, come take a look. When in Colombia. Colombia work standards. I guarantee in the States they would not allow this shit to, they would like call the police. Well, if he falls, he gets wet. Yeah, let's go see how it looks over here. Looks so much better with how much light it lets in compared to that piece of shit. Mucho mejor. Mejor. Sí, mucho más luz. Sí. Sí.
Bonito.
Sí. Okay, that's it. We have, we're gonna go see another property to maybe invest in. So here we couldn't really talk and film much, but some details about the property. It's 8-bedroom. They're asking for $100,000 for 30% equity in basically the business, the project, and it's gonna have Jacuzzi, no pool. This is the jacuzzi, kind of like an outside area, barbecue grill. So with this, we're gonna think about it, but I think we're probably gonna pass because we would just rather do our own project from the very beginning and have 100% ownership in everything. Team meeting.
Show my brand.
And so at the end of the day, we had a meeting with some models. We're looking at starting a modeling agency here in Medellin. Couldn't show much of the meeting because we were trying to keep kind of secret what exactly we're doing with this totally new thing. So that was the day in my life in Medellin, and I'll see you guys in the next video.